you're going to graph it using y equals to mx plus b. And so I like to think of it this way. M tells us how to move, and then the b tells us where to begin. So if you look at the equation, the beginning point is 5. This is your m, and this is your b. Your beginning point is the y-intercept. It is always the place where your graph is going to cross the y-axis. So if it crosses it at 5, that means I'm going to begin at 5. So you're here, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you make a dot. That's your beginning point. Then from there, you're going to use the slope. The slope is the number in front of the x, which is a -2, which also tells us how to move. And if it's a whole number, you put it over 1, because the slope is always the ratio of rise to run. So that means that I'm going to move down 2 and to the right 1. So from here, you're going to go down 2 and to the right 1. Make a dot. Down 2 to the right 1. Make a dot. And you can keep going and going and going. I just usually do it once or twice, and then I connect the dots. And that's it. That's the line. That's it.
So the -2 was -2, but the one that you put under the 2, that's a positive one.
Right, right. Okay. So like if you look at number 18, let me do one more. For number 18, it says y is equal to a negative, and then you have 1/2 x plus 3. The negative is on the side. It's not necessarily on the top or the bottom, but you can put it wherever you want. This is still my m, and this is my b. So I'm going to begin at 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to begin right here. John, you can sit here if you want. I'm just going to show. You can put your stuff right there. Yeah, okay. So then this negative, you can put it either on the top or the bottom. It's up to you. I always put it on the top. So then that means that my slope is going to be -1/2. So I'm going to go down 2 and to the right 1. So from here, I'm going to go, I'm going to go down 1 to the right 2. So you go down 1 to the right 2 and make a dot. Down 1 to the right 2. And there you go. Okay. And of course, if it's a positive, you're just going to rise and run up 1 to the right 1. There. And there you go.